This is part 6 of a multi-part training series that shows various ways to create animation without using a single keyframe. In the last 5 videos, you saw how to create animation without using a single keyframe with the following techniques: motion presets, batch animations, transition, lottie files, and animated GIF files. See the link below for details. In this video, I will show you how to create an animation using a series of actions, sometimes called behaviors in other applications, without using a single keyframe. Let's look at a simple example. Import a static or dynamic background of your choosing. Drag and drop a 3D character at the beginning of the timeline and position it on the canvas as needed. If necessary, customize the character to your liking. I will customize Danny with an astronaut outfit and save it as a preset so that he can be used in future projects. Add several actions from this list to create a story. To save time, I've already stitched together several actions and adjusted some of their properties. As a bonus, I've also created voiceover segments to sync to the actions. Press the 1 key to reset the playback head to the start of the timeline if necessary. Press the 0 key or the spacebar key to play the animation.
It's time to do my homework. It's time to have some fun. It's time to go to sleep.
Notice the animation was created without using a single keyframe. In the next video, I will show you how to do another type of animation without using a single keyframe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.